This is sclerotherapy, and it's one of the most satisfying procedures to perform and watch. We inject a sclerosant directly into the blood vessels, and it almost immediately obliterates them, directing blood flow to deeper, healthier vessels.